Okay, here we have two older Lennox central air conditioning units at a firefighters memorial nearby my town. Here's this unit. It's got a Copeland reciprocating compressor. I think this unit is a Lennox Diplomat series. And it looks like it has a new motor in it. Yeah, I think that has a A.O. Smith motor. This is from 1994, and I'm not really sure how to decode the tonnage on this unit. I'd say it's probably like a 2-ton or 1.5 ton, maybe. But yeah, currently not running. And then over here, here's this other Lennox unit. And this one's interesting. It's got this little top on it. That's cool. Scroll compressor. This Lennox Dimension series. That's cool. And not sure how to decode the tonnage on this. I think it's probably like a 2-ton or 1.5 ton. And it's from 1992. And it is in the 30s outside, so I guess these probably have not been running. Here's this unit again. But yeah, just like a quick video of these two units. Anyways, thanks for watching.